if you think about it, who has the most value for those innovations? Your top producers, the people that have the most value to your business. And if you're talking about retention or recruiting, you know, our model for recruiting is increasingly becoming higher and higher producers. And when you're going to them, those are the people that technology can have the most benefit to. Because when they're doing the same things over and over again for 40, 50, 60 transactions a year, what you notice is that typically an individual agent will cap at around, you know, at most probably doing 40 transactions a year. Just directly speaking, that's typically the ceiling for an individual agent.
Okay.
So how do you help them get better leverage, get better scale, optimize their time? And so when you're able to walk in and say, hey, I know how we can get you to 60, 70, 80, 100. You know, Bob and Tracy have been doing 200 to 250 listings a year since 2008.
Wow.
So we're able to take that model, layer on technology and say, we know how, you're a top producer, you have an amazing business, join us, partner with us, and we'll show you how we'll double your business. We'll double your business the next year again. Our partners in Canada, they joined us, they doubled in their first 6 months. They already doubled again in the first 6 months of this year.